Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone for on-screen fingerprint enrollment. First, confirm the model supports under-display sensors and install the latest OS update. Next, clean the display thoroughly and remove any obstructive screen protector or case. The sensor needs direct contact. Make sure battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. Open Settings, go to Security or Biometrics, and choose Add Fingerprint. Start now so the sensor can capture multiple angles for reliable recognition. Once enrollment begins, you will capture the fingerprint by placing and lifting your finger repeatedly. Follow prompts, press with varied pressure and rotate slightly each time so the sensor maps ridges, edges, and the tip. If progress stalls, reposition the finger to capture uncovered zones. Make sure to include partial impressions, edges often differ. Take your time. This creates a more complete template and reduces false rejects. When the progress bar nears full, perform several final taps to finalize the template. To finish, test unlocking from your usual grip, different angles, and in normal ambient light. If the lock fails frequently, re-enroll that finger or enroll a backup finger. Inconsistent contact or a misfitted protector often causes failures. Also make sure screen is clean and the sensor area is intact. If problems persist, reboot the device and retry enrollment. Finally, enable any secure fallback like PIN or pattern. That completes setup. If problems continue, re-enroll and inspect hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.